Hey everyone, Itana Gonzalez here. Today I'm bringing you a quick overview of what happened in the 2020 Denver real estate market and some projections for 2021 based on our team's research and analysis. The growth in the Denver market will be no surprise to most of you, and yet there are important data points to understand that will influence the year to come and possibly your decisions to stay put in your current home or make a housing change. The short version is that while Denver was not immune to the turbulence of 2020 in all its forms, the real estate market was incredibly strong. The overall residential real estate market appreciated by approximately 9% this last year, only slightly above the last 5-year average. The sold price of the average single-family home, however, accelerated in appreciation the last 6 months of the year and was up as much as 18% year over year in October, hitting an all-time high of $614,000. For those who were homeowners the entire year, they may have seen an average of $100,000 of mostly tax-free wealth creation. At the end of December 2020, there were only 2,400 homes available for sale, and only 1,200 of those were single-family homes. You will hear that we don't have inventory because no one is selling their home. This just isn't true. The issue is a significant increase in the number of buyers rather than a decline in the number of sellers. There were actually more homes that came to the market 6 of the 12 months of 2020 than the same months over the last 3 years. We ended up 2020 with a 7% increase in the number of homes sold and a 2% increase in the number of homes listed for sale compared to the last 3-year average. 4 factors in particular affected demand over the last year. 1. Population increase. While many cities around this country saw population declines, the Denver metro area appears to have seen a modest population growth. 2. Flexible work environments. Many people were forced to work from home, only to realize that might be sustainable and preferable. 3. Kids in school from home. Whether wanting space away from each other or needing more functional environments, many households made changes motivated by these needs. And 4. Interest rates. Incredibly low interest rates made the more expensive homes of Denver more affordable for the average consumer, simply driving demand even higher. Very simply, if a 2.5% interest rate buys you a $600,000 home with a comfortable payment at a 4.5% interest rate, you would drop your purchase price to $480,000 to get the same comfortable principal and interest payment. So, the 2020 Metro Denver real estate market saw record home sales, a very competitive market with bidding wars over many homes, increased demand fueled by household changes in lifestyle and low interest rates, and significant appreciation in home values. What does that all mean for 2021? Our best prediction is that interest rates remain low in 2021. Some economists think interest rates could drop below 2% for a 30-year fixed loan. If interest rates remain low, demand will remain very, very high. And we are starting off 2021 with incredibly low inventory. The combination of high demand and low inventory means potential double-digit home value appreciation. The average economist is anticipating home values increase by about 5 to 7% nationwide. The Denver market is poised to be at least as strong as national averages. The short version is low inventory, high demand, fairly significant continued appreciation for 2021. And while these variables we cannot predict with confidence, we certainly hope strength in the real estate market is coupled with vaccinations at work, businesses and families recovering, and kids going back to school. I wish you all a healthy and happy 2021. Let me know if I can help you in any way.